Okay, hello guys, this is going to be my 2 minute quick fix video. This is of a little house and a little tree drawing. So let's see what we can do in a couple of minutes just to see to fix this. So for this tree, instead of doing a straight trunk, I'm going to do more of a sort of like a weird vase shape. And then instead of doing one giant clump, I'm going to separate into lots of different clumps. And then for this house, maybe let's bring it across here for like a little extension. This window here. Then we've got the door. Let's maybe do like a little door frame. Maybe let's add another window here. Maybe let's put a chimney up there. Maybe let's add a little plant pot on the outside. Get that ground level in. Then how about if we do like a little pole here with a little washing line with some washing on it. Then we could start doing some details on the tiles of the roof. So just lines going across, then down. Maybe let's do some mountains in the background. Just like so. And then we can add a bit of shading in there. So a little bit just under these clumps on the inside of this tree. Maybe let's make this a little bit darker. Maybe add a little window there. This is quite a thick pen, Faber-Castell brush pen. But yeah, it's looking nice. Just do some smoke going out the window. Chimney. Anyway guys, hope this helps you with your drawings. It's just been a quick 2 minute fix, but thanks for watching.